Welcome back to another deep dive here on Autocrafters, where passion meets precision in the world of automotive storytelling. Today we're taking you on an immersive ride into one of the most talked about comebacks in the automotive world, the 2025 Subaru Baja. This isn't just a resurrection of a cult classic, it's Subaru's bold step into a future where versatility, rugged style and adventure-ready performance intersect with modern innovation. The new Baja strikes a fascinating balance between Subaru's rugged crossover DNA and pickup practicality. Built on Subaru's latest global platform, it blends Outback's wagon-like profile with a short truck bed seamlessly. The front fascia is unmistakably Subaru, a hexagonal grille with blacked-out mesh flanked by C-shaped LED headlights with adaptive beam tech. The hood features subtle power bulges hinting at the turbocharged performance beneath. Side profile is where the Baja's unique charm really shines. The cab flows into a 4-foot composite bed with integrated tie-downs and hidden storage compartments. Black cladding runs along the lower body, giving both visual toughness and actual scratch protection. Roof rails are standard with crossbar compatibility for everything from kayaks to rooftop tents. The rear features LED tail lamps that mimic the headlight signature, a damped tailgate and an optional midgate system that folds down the rear seats to extend bed length into the cabin, a feature directly targeting adventure gear haulers. Colors like solar flare yellow, wilderness green and crystal white pearl make the Baja look as ready for Instagram as it is for the trails. Step inside and the Baja's cabin blends Subaru familiarity with clever adventure-minded details. Anchored by an 11.6-inch vertical touchscreen running Subaru's latest Starlink OS with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Soft touch surfaces on the dash and doors with durable water-resistant upholstery in the wilderness trim. Higher trims offer leather with contrast stitching inspired by hiking gear. Supportive front seats with available heating/ventilation, power adjustments and memory settings. Rear seats split fold 60/40ths and feature quick-release latches for midgate operation. Deep center console bin hidden under floor, rear seat storage and door pockets sized for large water bottles. Under the hood, base powertrain, a 2.4-liter turbocharged Boxer 4 delivering 260 horsepower and 277 lb-ft of torque paired with an 8-speed CVT with simulated gears. This setup prioritizes efficiency and smoothness while still providing solid low-end grunt. Baja XT Wilderness Edition, the headline grabber, a 2.4-liter turbo Boxer tuned to 290 horsepower and 310 lb-ft paired with Subaru's upgraded dual-mode CVT or optional 6-speed manual in select trims. This engine benefits from revised turbo mapping for more responsive acceleration and a flatter torque curve. Both setups come standard with symmetrical all-wheel drive torque vectoring and X Mode 2.0, which now includes a rock crawl setting alongside snow, dirt and deep snow/mud modes. 0 to 60 miles per hour times the base version hits it in 6.9 seconds, while the XT shaves it down to 6.1 seconds. Towing capacity is rated at 5,000 pounds, making it viable for small campers, boats or utility trailers. Payload tops out at around 1,200 pounds, impressive for its size class. Fuel economy lands at 24 miles per gallon city, 30 miles per gallon highway for the base and 22-28 for the XT. On pavement, the Baja rides closer to an Outback than a Tacoma. Thanks to its unibody construction and long travel suspension, it absorbs bumps with confidence and corners with stability. The steering is light but accurate and body roll is well controlled for its height. The CVT, often Subaru's Achilles heel, has been retuned to mimic traditional gear changes under load, eliminating much of the rubber band feel. In manual mode with paddle shifters, the XT model especially feels surprisingly engaging. Noise insulation has been improved with acoustic glass and extra undercarpet sound deadening, so highway cruising is relaxed and conversation friendly. The 2025 Subaru Baja isn't for everyone, and that's exactly its strength. It's a niche vehicle for a specific buyer, someone who wants the comfort of a crossover, the utility of a small truck and the capability to disappear into the mountains for a weekend without batting an eye. It's not a Ford Maverick clone. It's not trying to outmuscle mid-sized trucks. It's carving its own path, much like its drivers. For Subaru fans, it's a dream realized. For newcomers, it's a compelling alternative that proves you don't need to go big to go bold. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this review of the 2025 Subaru Baja, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to Autocrafters for more in-depth car content, and let me know in the comments what you think of Subaru bringing back the brat name. Until next time, drive safe and stay adventurous.